Hola everyone, so today I am going to the beach La Zamora, and La Zamora is a beach here that's like 20 minutes by foot and I can walk there, and it is a beach nearby the Esencia de La Palma hotel, and it is also, you know, something different than just chilling at the swimming pool. And also there is a little fish restaurant where they make delicious calamaris. Why I know it is delicious is because I asked the girl from the reception, like, where can I taste like a very good calamaris? And she said like it's this one, because the other one, another restaurant, she said like it's good as well, but it's not the same as this one. So yeah, I am going to La Zamora, the beach La Zamora, and yeah, let's go. Yeah. So after almost 20 minutes, we are still walking to the beach called La Zamora, and it's actually very nearby the hotel, if you know the way. But if you don't know the way, you will like make you will do your walk just a little bit longer than expected. But the good part of it is that you will explore more things and see more of the island, and just the little things like the plants, you know, make pictures at the banana plantage. Plantation. What is plantage? Plantation. Plantation. That's what I was looking for. We have made it to La Zamora. restaurant for some dinner. I think like after a long day like today, it is well deserved.